I'm a what?
A wizard. Did you ever make anything happen? Anything you couldn't explain when you were angry or scared?
No, definitely not.
I'm Hermione Granger.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. Ah, yes, a red Ravenclaw. Cunning, shrewd.
Roberto.
I don't expect many of you to appreciate the subtle science and exact art that is potion making. I can teach you how to bewitch the mind and ensnare the senses. I can tell you how to bottle fame, brew glory, and even put a stopper in death.
Today we're going to pull it sharply up out of the pot. Got it? And now you dunk it down into the other pot and pour a little sprinkling of soil.
You'll never catch me, Potter!
As for me, I'll be a knight.
Harry's potion allows the drinker to transform himself temporarily into the physical form of another.
Smiling at me. I'm sure we're all going to be very good friends.
We can't go in there. Students aren't allowed. And there are werewolves.
number of followers.
Maybe you don't have to do this all by yourself. Every great wizard in history started out. And even though we've got a fight ahead of us, we've got one thing that Voldemort doesn't have. Something worth fighting for.
Don't you turn your back on me, Harry Potter!
Come on, Tom. Let's finish this the way we started it.
Together! Harry Potter, the boy who lived, come to die.
You're the weak one, and you'll never know love or friendship. And I feel so.
Easily. For the best played game of chess that Hogwarts has seen these many years, Harry Potter. For pure nerve and outstanding courage, I award Gryffindor House